gosh, it's so cold. It's another rainy day here in California, and I'm freezing. I'm like bundled up head to toe. Blanket, long pants, slippers, dog. Oh, look at my cute little baby girl. She came and laid on my lap. She's so cute. So I just finished editing or putting the final touches. I didn't edit the video today. I was just putting it up on YouTube and getting it ready to go live. So I just finished doing that, but I was in the office and my cleaner's here. So she was gonna start cleaning the office. So I got me and Sadie out of there, and now we're in the little living room. Give her space, give her room to do what she needs to do. Now I'm just gonna put on A Christmas Tale on Netflix. I don't think I've seen this one yet. It's hard because you forget what Christmas movies, if you watch a lot of Christmas movies like I do, last year. So when you see them, you're like, oh yay. And sometimes they change the thumbnail and then they trick you, and then you start watching it and you're like, oh man, you're like, I already saw this. So I don't think I've seen this one yet. So I'm just gonna start it. I would like to start decorating the tree because I haven't got to do that yet. Taking out the ornaments means making a mess. And so she needs to clean in here still. So I'm gonna wait for her to get done over there, and then I'll head back to the office and continue editing the video that will go out tomorrow. So that's what's going on. It's raining outside. Normally I have Sadie outside when she comes and we're in the back house doing things, but it's like so rainy and wet that I can't do that. So we're just kind of changing rooms as she changes rooms, trying to get out of her way.
Really, I'm just not that into Christmas.
Wait for it. It's so bad.
You're not that into Christmas?
You and I are different, Luz.
Oh, jeez.
What? I mean, I thought we were having fun. I mean, what more do you want?
Oh, I can't. I can't. Let's get out of here. Let's go find something else, shall we? Oh, I was watching The Little Mermaid earlier today. Let's finish that. Good idea. Okay, so we are at Costco. We are in need of the essentials, as Matt put it. So we're gonna go get the essentials. So Sadie's always dragging like dirt into the bedroom. So next to our beds is always so like, you get up out of bed and stand on it and it's like, you're like, oh, it's dirt. So I'm gonna put these rugs on the sides of our bed, and hopefully it'll help with that feeling of just like dirt on the wood floor and your feet. Gosh, this is such a cute gift for Sadie for Christmas. This is totally what she's getting. $17.99. Oh yeah. Got Sadie's dog food. Oh my gosh, this is a sight for sore eyes. They have been out of her bully sticks for like 3 weeks. They're like so necessary when you need to get something done and you just need to have like 15-20 minutes. You give her one of those and you can get whatever you need done. I don't even know how I've been surviving without them, to be honest. I think this is the cheese tamale one. Oh, hot. Mmm. And I was thinking you need to get a rotisserie chicken when you're here because it's only $4.99 and it's so good for last minute lunches or dinner ideas. And I always put it in a bag because it tends to leak. I'm gonna make some chili early next week, so I'm gonna grab some avocados to put on top. Yum. Spinach, bell peppers, and squash. Sport top water bottles, eggs, and half and half. Matt loves this ice. We're out of tissue boxes. Bananas. Let's see. I'm back.
Oh,
What you got now? What you got now?
I have garlic and cheese. Dude.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
I had to have you come back because when you blinked your eyes, oh my God.
I know, that's what I do.
So you make your husband melt when you do that.
I do.
Try this one. This is
Ooh,
my.
what's this?
This is my zata, my Mediterranean pesto. Here you go, dear.
Did you add garlic to the top?
All I add is a little bit of oil and garlic.
That's what I'm saying. That made it.
Here you go, dear.
Thank you.
Oh, your hands are warm.
Oh, well, It's just me. Okay, I am these, and I like the pesto one. I want one of those.
All right, I have one coming up for you. I want you to try also. Mozzarella and basil.
Okay.
Here you go. This is spinach. That's still garlic.
Oh, I'll eat it.
All the same one.
Okay, here we go. All you do is add a little bit of oil and garlic. Left to right, right to left.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Here you go, dear. Try that. Here you go, Mom.
All right, give me the spinach one.
Here,
So you
here
got
we
the za'atar and the garlic, right? Okay, okay. Okay. All right. There you go. Happy
Thank
holidays.
you so much.
You're welcome.
go. Young lady.
Hey, thank you.
Ciao.
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 Have a good one. Oh my gosh, that guy was so funny. I loved him. Such a character. This is by far the best bacon. And we always get our bread here because it's such a good price. And then I take one and freeze one in the freezer so that it lasts longer. And we need more coffee. We just get the medium roast, Costco. $10.39, baby. I actually think we need ketchup. I'm just gonna get it. It doesn't expire till like this time next year. And then I just used the last of our rice last week, so $4.59. It's crazy. And then I also used the last of our olive oil last week too. And then this is where I get my lemon juice, which I'm almost out of. I think I have half a thing left for my morning drinks before working out. Oh my gosh, remember when Sadie ate chocolates? These are them. I don't have any more, so I'm gonna get some and hide them really, really well and not on top of Matt's desk. Alrighty, I got some stuff at Costco. I got the necessities. Mostly the necessities. The other things were necessary, I just didn't know I needed them yet. Put your bed down by the door so you can have a good view. Good girl. You want a bully stick? You want a bully stick? Lay down. Good girl. There you go. Look, you're messing up my rug and my couch already. It just got cleaned, girl. Where do you think you're going? Those are my rugs. Baby. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Okay, I am ridiculously stoked to put these rugs down. Oh, yay! I love it. It looks so good. I like it a lot. And now it's my side of the bed's turn. Perfect. Well, that'll stop our feet from feeling all dirty when we step out of bed. And into bed, for that matter. Yay! I'm so glad I like the rugs. They look really good. I'm excited, and I think Matt will be happy. So I'm not going to tell him. I'm going to surprise him. And what's... Louisa must have found one of Sadie's outdoor dog bowls somewhere. I have no idea where this was, and she must have just put it up there. Okay, this goes outside. So if you remember from the other day when I made that easy breezy baked ziti, ooh, I really liked how that sounded. There's leftovers, so I'm gonna have some for lunch. Ah, haha, I knew we were almost out of ketchup. Yes, good memory. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this. My friend Lori got this for me, and I did one, and I did two, but then we had the chocolate incident with Sadie. So I made sure to put this up super high so she couldn't get it. And I totally forgot, so I gotta catch up. Okay, let's see what we got. 1, 2, where's 3? 3! Oh, it's a little tiny house. It's a little house, Sadie. I would like you to know that I have never actually done one of these advent calendars with the chocolate in it. Like, I've never ever done one. As far as I can remember when I was a little kid. Dad, did we ever do these? I don't remember if we did. Number 4. Like, the fact that they're not in order, I thought that they would be in order, but I'm seeing here now that they're not in order. So that's kind of fun because you have to search for it. It makes it a little bit more exciting. 4. I think this is bells. And 5. I probably shouldn't be eating this chocolate before I go to bed, but I want to catch up on the little Santa hat. 6. What is this? A bear? This one's hard to get out. What is that? I want to say it's a scarf. Is that a thing? What is that? Is that a scarf? I really don't know. I think it's a scarf. I'm all caught up. I can't believe I've never done one of these before. So thanks, Lori, for giving me my first advent calendar that I can remember, just in case I have done one before. I don't remember it, so this is my first one. Thank you. I think Sadie has the right idea. It's bedtime. See you tomorrow.
And a happy new year. We will